We are going to
Eindhoven.
Eindhoven is known to be the city where Philips Company was founded. To embrace this identity and keep a tradition, the city lights up for the Glow Festival every November. Artists and designers take over the streets with stunning light installations, interactive projections, and live performances, making it a great way to experience the city after dark.
This year's Glow Festival will run from November 8th to November 15th, and we are on our way to catch the event on its final day.
So the first stop, Eindhoven Glow. Parang siyang sa Singapore na like, ano yung tawag sa Indian festival na sa... Yeah, I forgot. We'll have it voice over.
We're here, finally!
Last Sunday fell.
2, 3, smile!
Ay, record pala video?
Oo, video.
Ah,
Ayan, no? So, ano oras na? Tuminog yun. 6:30 p.m. So, nandito kami sa, I don't know, pang ilang...
I really don't know what church is that, pero all that matters to me is it really looks good. And so they had this projection of faces. We'll check in a bit kung who are the people in the projection of the church. Maybe some of the history that the church has. There's another church just a few blocks away.
Doon sa kabila.
And we'll check it out later. But for now, voiceover.
Okay, so yun lang. On to the next stop.
Now we know.
So, ito yung likod kanina. Na-figure out na namin what are those eyes and smiles are.
Akala ko history.
Apparently, it's a
There's an
selfie.
app. Meron silang app. You have to get your selfie. And then actually those faces there are those people who took selfie in this church. So bukas, maka-flash yung mukha namin. Fortunately, wala tayo dito.
Yeah. Hindi, last na today, di ba?
Ay, oo, last
So, I think madaming tao. So, there's a QR doon sa globe na naka-display dyan sa floor. You have to scan it. You will be redirected to a specific website or app, and then you have to take a selfie. Once na-capture ka, they would flash your eyes or your nose or ano. But unfortunately, I think madaming nang kumuha ng picture na puno na, and ito, the app told us na parang try again tomorrow. Apparently, bukas tapos na to. Wala na to.
It's just tonight.
But yeah, it's nice to see it in a
Off to
different...
our next
So after our next
stop.
yeah, after our next stop. Puro ka niyo. We got chicken and chicken burger.
Finish pork, eh? Finish pork. Pork burger. Ay, pork and meat. Ako? Sa gutom ako?
Let's go.
Picture dito na eh.
Sige. I think yung mga picture natin kanina okay na yun.
We're at 4th and 5th
Dami tao.
show
With,
ng station.
there's a museum at the back. Maliit na siya na museum, di ba?
Yes. Oh my God. Yeah, that one.
We'll probably skip it.
Yeah, we will probably skip it
Kasi medyo maulan na.
narrow ang place and to give you an idea, to check this. But yeah, we'll skip it and proceed to other stops. Siguro dito, yung mga open area para we can take more pictures and there's a lot of people and maulan na. So yun lang, see you on the next. Bye. Bye. Ikot ba? We're taking different routes. Yung less taken. Or shortcuts
twice.
kumbaga. We're not following the crowd. We're just using Google Maps to pin the location and then Google Map will help us get our way there. No?
At least hindi palaging feeling mo kailangan mo i-secure lahat.
Yeah, it's not that crowded. But now we're here following the crowd kasi one route lang siya. And it's better than kanina. So yes.
Next stop?
Next stop.
Crunch
we
time,
have here.
crunch time.
Because we have to get on the bus by 9:30. It's almost 9.
It's about a few minutes to 9.
So few minutes na lang. We have to walk for I don't know how many minutes, but we can make it. I think we can make it.
if you can make it, we run.
Yeah. We
Oh,
can
nice,
still get
nice
home,
view.
but yeah. So ito yung last view natin.